Sestais jautājums. Kā jūs klasificētu pirmajā videofilmā redzēto intervijas veidu? A. Grupveida intervija, daudz vadītāji un viens darbinieks. B. Intervija grupā, viens vadītājs, daudz darbinieki. C. Stresa intervija grupā, viens vadītājs, daudz darbinieku. D. Autoritāra jaukta tipa intervija, daudz vadītāju, daudz darbinieku. Septītais jautājums. Līdz kandidāta intervijai jūs nonākat tāpēc, ka A. Vēlaties atrast sev piemērotāko darbinieku. B. Vēlaties atrast uzņēmuma kompetencijai atbilstošāko darbinieku. C. Vēlaties precizēt, vai kandidāts atbilst uzņēmuma kompetencijai. Astotais jautājums. Vai var uzdot personīga rakstura jautājumus intervijā? A. Jā, tas ir svarīgi. B. Nē, to nevar darīt. C. Ja tas nav pretrunā ar likumdošanu, tad jā.
What makes you think you're qualified for this job?
Oh! Ah! Stop punching me!
Stop punching
Please,
me.
stop! Don't throw me!
Not that fish.
Don't touch me! Keep your hands off of me! Don't throw me out!
Thanks.
Here it is, huh? Get it?
How do you handle stress?
How do I handle stress? What kind of question is that, man? I mean, come on! I mean, what kind of question is that? I mean, I do yoga. Maybe we can work out sometime, huh? Let's move on. Next question, please.
How are your research skills?
Research skills? You mean like the Google?
Yeah, like Google.
I can find out about anybody. For example, what is her name? What is her address? Does she have a sister? Is the sister legal? Oh, take it easy, I'm just asking.
Hillary, your resume looks fantastic. How soon can you start?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you so much. You know, I just have to say, you have the cutest little mustache. I mean, I've been staring at it for like ever. Do you like filter out the pulp with it when you drink orange juice and save it for later and make like a whole new orange out of it? It's just so fluffy and lifelike. Ooh. Yes, you have the job, Hillary.
How do you demonstrate leadership?
EverQuest. The MMORPG, massive multiplayer online role-playing game. I'm a level 87 dwarf mage. My name is Herbert. You can check my stats. They're posted. I'm usually on between 9 and 5. And I may look cute in the pink hat and frilly dress, but that's before I bust out my staff of booyah! Whoop your ass! I'm taking them out from the knees and I'm jumping up and I'm biting them where they're vulnerable. Because I'm like 3 feet tall and I'm a dwarf. They don't see me coming. I rip them apart and I drink their blood. As I smear it on my face, I suck out their bone marrow and I'm finger painting with their entrails. Women, children, dogs, parakeets, doesn't matter. I've killed people. Real people.
What is your biggest weakness?
Wine coolers. This stuff is like candy. Just between you and me, 3 of these, and I am ham bones. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I just brought these in as a sort of a thank you present. I know, I shouldn't have, but I don't really get into chick drinks. It's not something a real hawk like me would ever sink his talons into.
Devītais jautājums. Vai atlases process bija kvalitatīvi saplānots? Video par ārprātīgu darbinieku. A. Jā. B. Nē. C. Daļēji. Desmitais jautājums. Vai dokumentu atlases procesā ir iespējams izvairīties no šādām situācijām intervijā? Video materiāls par 5 jautājumiem. A. Jā. B. Nē. C. Daļēji.